Hey, mailman just brought my new chest rig. You want to check it out? It's going to be fun. Alright, so I ordered a Condor chest rig off eBay. So it says it was new, used, can do whatever. So we're going to open it up, check it out. I love it when people say, hey, you got a knife? What kind of question is that? Alright, let's see what this looks like here. Need to know if I was giving some good feedback or not. Oh! Sorry. That's probably a little too much excitement. Oh. So there it is. It's got the swivels. Buckles look good. Who in the world is calling me? So this right here, I watched Condor's YouTube video about this, and this is supposed to be to keep it from riding up your shoulders. Looks really nice. It don't look like it's ever been really put together. Got the admin pouch back here. Breathable. Oh, it's got the full Velcro pouch right here, so you can buy the panels that just hang right down there. What do y'all think? Should we try it on? No? Okay. Shut up, we're trying it on. Now this is somewhat embarrassing because I ain't never wore a chest rig like this, so I'm going to have to figure out how all this stuff goes. And since I can't hear none of you, I'm just going to do it how I think it works. Then you guys can tell me in the comments down there right after you hit that like and subscribe if I did it wrong. Oh yeah, this was put together for a child. Woo! Let me adjust this out a little bit and I'll be right back. Alright, how's this? This better? I don't know what that looks like back here. I gotta tie all these up and get that all figured out. Alright, gentlemen, ladies. How high up you wear this thing? Somebody's got a video on it. But that's just a quick look at the new Condor. Don't even know the model. I'll look that up and throw it in the video there. But yeah, that's the new chest rig. I gotta get some mag pouches for it. Get it set up. I'm got to redo the plate carrier. This is my med pouch on my plate carrier, and the way I've got this set up, it only gives me room for one mag pouch, so I'm thinking about getting a double stack mag pouch for this side, so at least I would have one in the gun and two here. That'd give me three. I don't know, what do y'all think? There again, throw a comment down there. I kind of just was thinking that this might be more practical to carry around, throw in the car. I've got this old style over here. And this one works. I think I've got 5 or 6 mags in this thing right now. But some of the pockets that were made for like grenades and flashbangs and stuff. They don't really hold other things too well because of the way that they don't really seal. So if you put anything in there that's not a solid object, they tend to fall out. But it does hold the 2 canteens. I've got my AR tool up here and the radios. So I'm working on this stuff, and Bear over at bearindependent.com. Is that what it's called? Yeah. But his YouTube channel, he mentioned one day, and this really got me thinking. Do you have anything spare? Do you have spare stuff in case you have to, if things were to go bad? Do you have a spare chest rig you could throw to a buddy so he would have one if he doesn't have one already? Things like that. And I started going through some of my stuff and getting all the extra stuff together, and so this is how it's hanging. And I'm going to have to look, because I just watched Extraction last night, so I'm really in a tactical mood today. So I don't know, what do y'all think? But y'all come back, we'll talk again later.